Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of network automation and its transformative benefits for both IT professionals and businesses alike. Now you might be wondering, why should you invest your time in learning about network automation? Well, let me tell you, the advantages are nothing short of amazing. Network automation brings a multitude of benefits that go beyond just helping organizations and businesses. It's not just about saving time and reducing cost, although that's undoubtedly impressive. No, it's about you and your position in the new world of IT. As you master network automation, you become a valuable asset in the job market. Your proficiency in automation technologies will set you apart from the rest, opening up exciting career opportunities and propelling you forward in your professional journey. Job security? Check. With automation skills in your toolbox, you'll be high demand and your expertise will become indispensable to employers looking to stay ahead in the competitive IT landscape. Promotion? Absolutely. Your ability to streamline operations and solve complex network challenges will catch the eyes of your superiors, paving the way for recognition and advancement. And let's talk about income. As you become a champion of network automation, your value in the job market increases significantly. Better opportunities mean better salaries and overall financial growth. So, are you ready to transform your career and future-proof your skills? Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of network automation? Let's take this journey together. Let's explore the endless possibilities of network automation, uncover its benefits for organizations and individuals alike, and equip ourselves with the tools to thrive in the modern networking landscape. Remember, it's essential to handle these preparations to gain a clear understanding of the path. Once we have established the big picture, we'll address the practical aspect together, step by step. So, if you missed the previous videos, don't worry, I've included their links below. Let's explore and learn together. Now that we have highlighted the incredible benefits of network automation and how it can elevate your career to new heights, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of network automation and its impact on IT professionals and organizations. As I mentioned, my friends, network automation brings a multitude of benefits that empower IT professionals and organizations to achieve greater efficiency and effectiveness in managing their network. Let's take a closer look at some advantages, including the crucial aspect of business agility. Time and cost savings. Network automation eliminates the needs for manual intervention in repetitive tasks, saving valuable time and reducing operational costs. This enables IT teams to focus on more strategic initiatives and derive business growth with increased agility. Enhanced network reliability. By standardizing configurations and reducing human errors, network automation improves network reliability. This translates to enhance business continuity and ensure that critical services are available when needed, fostering business agility and responsiveness. Network automation simplifies the process of scaling network operations. With automated provisioning and configuration, businesses can easily accommodate changing demands, rapidly deploy new services, and adapt to evolving business needs with agility. Improve security and compliance. Automation enables consistent security configurations and policies across the network, reducing vulnerabilities and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. This enhances business agility by mitigating security risk and ensuring a robust security posture. Creativity and innovation. Network automation opens up new opportunities for creativity and innovation in network design and management. By automating routine tasks, IT professionals can focus on devising inventive solutions and deriving technological advancements, propelling the organization's success. So far, these are some of the benefits of network automation. Now, let's explore the various domains where network automation finds application. Configuration management. Network automation streamlines the configuration of network devices, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. It allows for centralized control and management, making it easier to enforce policies and implement changes, thus enhancing business agility. Network monitoring and troubleshooting. Automated monitoring tools provide real-time visibility into network performance, enabling proactive troubleshooting. Thus reduce downtime, improves service availability, and enhance business agility by addressing network issues promptly. Network provisioning and deployment. With network automation, businesses can accelerate the provisioning and deployment of network services. This enables faster time to market, agility in launching new services, and the ability to adapt to changing customer demands with ease. Network policy management. Automation simplifies the enforcement and management of network policies. It ensures consistent policy implementation across the network, enhancing security, compliance, and the ability to adopt policies quickly to meet business requirements. These are just a few examples of the domains where network automation brings significant benefits, including business agility, creativity, and innovation. By leveraging automation in these areas, organizations can streamline operations, improve productivity, and respond to market dynamics with great agility. So, as we continue our journey into the realm of network automation, we'll explore these domains in more detail, uncovering practical use cases and best practices to help you harness the full potential of network automation. Thank you for joining me today, and let's explore the fascinating world of network automation and programmability together. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel to support the content and stay updated with the latest insights and tutorials. Turning on notifications will ensure you never miss a new video and stay ahead in your journey to master network automation and programmability. Your engagement and dedication means the world to me as we unlock the full potential of this field together. Keep exploring, learning, and innovating, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.